Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. So, we're back working on the wrecked Cobra. As you can see, we put the body on for a little bit to do some R&D testing. What we're doing now is we are working on this airbag suspension. Well, other video, people were like, oh, it's too bad it didn't work. No, we're making this work, and we did. What you haven't seen and what we did in video was Adam and I doing some R&D, figuring out how to make the suspension work up in this area. So as you can see, we have this whole thing really torn apart right now, but that was because we figured out what we needed to do to make the tire actually suck up into this area. If you guys follow us on Instagram, you're going to see a little sneak peek of what we did, and you're going to actually see the video of the tire moving through the range. I'll probably throw it on here so you guys can see, so we can get caught up. I'll probably put it in here right now. So kind of right height. Cool. All right, so there you go. So now you're seeing the wheel move up and in and out. Now what we got to do is we got to actually make, we did it temporary over there. We actually got to make a bracket that goes in right here. So it's going to come off, it's going to be L angle, and it's going to drop. And what we actually have to do is we actually have to take this upper arm and we need it to kind of sit down a couple inches down this way. Because what that does is as the suspension goes up, it actually has a lot of camber gain that goes that way, and that's what actually allowing the tire to roll in inside the fender. I guess if we were to use that much suspension in there, it would make the thing weird on a track, but I'm going to tell you, on a track this thing isn't going to move that much, so we are not really worried about it. So with that, I'm by myself out in the garage. It's a Friday of Labor Day weekend. So I'm all filming by myself. So we're going to do some single person camera stuff. We're going to get that. We're going to get going. Those of you that are with us, awesome. Those of you that are new, please hit the subscribe, hit the like, hang out with us, follow us on this journey. It's going to be epic. So we got parts ordered, parts are coming. Now I'm just going to make some brackets here, and then we're going to go on to whatever's next after this. So here we go. we go. So there's the first part of it. So All right, so we got it mounted. Got our holes. This is our first time putting it up, so we'll see. We basically took the holes that were behind here and just dropped them low enough to get clearance. So. All right, guys, so this is basic, pretty darn close to ride height right here. So with that, that's ride height. And then as we're gonna go up, that's the max up that we got from, it's a max up that the suspension will actually move. So with that, I'm walking around like a lost puppy. With that, that puts the frame rail inch and a quarter off the ground. Cool thing is, that tucked up in there, I don't know if you can see that, but it is not touching the body anywhere. I don't know how I get up in here to see this. Free and clear all the way around. So this is absolutely going to work. And we can play with, if we need a little more room, we can play with adjustments here, and we can play with adjustments here if we need to bring the track in just a little bit to help us get some more clearance. Not going to hurt us one bit. But there you go. Another hot night in the garage. So more to come on this video. We're going to do some more at the end. Probably finalize some brakes. I'm not even sure. Just kind of playing it by ear, doing what I can while we're out here. So we'll see you in just a few seconds. All right, so as you just saw, we just finished the mock-up of the front plate. We're going to do some changes to it. After looking at it, we're going to take the ball joint here. We're actually going to flip this whole apparatus over because it's going to give us some more angle so we're not kind of at the extremes of the ball joint when we're at ride height and that kind of stuff. We're also going to take this plate and we're going to rotate it in so that we get a little more clearance and gives us just a little more help. So that's what we're doing right now.
So what you making spacers for? Or what are you doing?
Making spacers.
For what?
Making spacers.
Making spacers?
Hey, we're making spacers. You gotta make spacers, you know. You got this stuff that you can do really quick, but it's the making spacers that take you 4 hours. It's one of those days in the shop where
We break everything?
well,
And everything
not just
takes-
break everything. It's
Everything
just
just takes longer than
it
it
just
should?
takes longer, like spacers. 4 hour spacers. Hour spacers. Huh?
How loud do you think that's gonna be?
How hot? Oh,
Loud.
Oh no, watch this. Ready? 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 Hot.
Satisfying.
Hot.
Are you using a nail to like maneuver it? Can I suction? Oh, I've tried to suction cup this to your head, haven't I?
Boom.
What metal are you shooting off?
I don't know.
You don't.
Just going with it.
Hey, look, now you have to make 2 more of this.
Yay.
2 more.
See if we've accomplished anything, see if it's worth doing it on.
All of them?
That's
Ah.
right
That
there.
should be about ride height right there. Because the AR is pretty level, the lower AR.
Right height?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's it.
How's it look? Does it look fairly level?
Yeah?
The AR looks pretty level.
No, I'm talking the tire. The tire looks pretty square. Hey.
So,
Whew.
Oh, it moved.
You gotta make sure you roll this thing in. This goes down a little bit like that.
what a tough rim, goddammit. Slurs.
Will it go any more?
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
Go any more? Not flipping it? Come look at the ball right now.
Really helped it, didn't it? Took all the bind out of it.
Oh.
Oh yeah, now you're at the rim. Jesus God. Holy Lord.
Somebody hold
Only
it.
problem with that is the rocker would be on the ground.
Yeah, somebody hold that real quick there.
Hold what?
It wants
take a
to,
picture.
wants to turn it. Tape measure, you can see that?
In your
That's
car?
above the frame rail.
Well, that's what I want to see.
In your car? It's the last time I saw a tape measure.
No, the tire's above the frame rail right now.
Jesus. Okay, well that's just absurd. That's all I have to say.
Inside the tire where it would still be touching the ground is 15 1/4, frame rail 16.25. It's a frame rail's an inch off the ground right there.
Inch off the ground.
So isn't that what you guys figured out last time?
That'll put the pipes an inch off the
And
ground.
if you look inside it, it's not touching.
It's not touching you. It's not even coming close, is it?
I think right here, it's, well, yeah.
Yeah, give me a go.
That
That's
mission was accomplished.
Check.
Mission.
I think we won this one. We only have like $5,000 in spacers because that's how long it took to cut them, but well worth it.
after this
I
day.
feel like Michael Jackson.
After this day.
This is just one of those days. I'm just going to tell you saw what we did, so here it is. End of the day. It's been a long, frustrating day. Let's see what we did. We broke the camera. We had to go fix the GoPro, which is what we're filming on now. I spent 8 hours building 4 spacers. Gilly did a lot. Gilly got almost all of the cockpit aluminum on the driver's side done. He got the little vent. Look at this cool little thing Gilly did. Little vent panel for the heater. Knocked it out. Looks amazing. So, yeah, one of those days that you get your butt kicked, but you still actually accomplish something. So we'll just keep pressing. Cool things are coming. Shocks ordered. Will be here, as you guys just saw. It's going to work, and it's going to work awesome. So, with that, from Gilly, from Adam, from me to you guys, 520 Speedworks. Get it done. Subscribe. Like us. Love you guys.